Hello and welcome. My name is Eugen Popa and I'm president of Romanian Hypnosis Association. And I'm very excited that you're here because it means you're curious or interested at least in the Centrum technique. What is Centrum technique? Well, it's one of those very few techniques out there that are making use of the principle of parts of personality. So basically, instead of thinking that the person has a problem, we actually think that there's just one part or several parts that are creating the problem the client has. So when the client comes into your office and says, I have a problem and I would like to, be fixed with it, then basically what we hear is that there is a part or different parts who are creating the problem. So it's not the whole person, but just 1, 2, 3, or however many parts there are. So when we do apply Centrum technique, what we do is to find those parts which are causing the problem of the client and then help the client fix the problem. How does this work? Well, let's take this book as an example. Let's suppose that this book is you. And so this book is made of what? Different pages, different parts which are making up this book. And so you also are made of different parts, different pages that have different roles in your life. So there's a part of you who, is taking care of the dishes. There's a part of you who is taking the kids to school. There's a part of you who is going to work, and so on and so forth. All of these parts make up who you are. However, there's one central part, the center of your being, who kind of connects and communicates and knows all of the other parts. And so when we practice, when we use the Centrum technique, what do? We look to find this central part, that's why I call Centrum, and then communicate directly with this part and ask this one part to find the part or the parts that are causing the problem the client has. So in Centrum technique, we don't go and search for the parts ourselves, but actually we ask this one part. Imagine like a company who has the general manager and then other managers in the company. Well, it's the same thing here. We talk to the general manager, you are the owner. We talk to the general manager and say, hey, there's somebody here or there's several parts here who are causing the problem. Go and find them and so that we can work with them. And basically, in very short terms, in a very short time, this is what Centrum technique is. It enables us to communicate directly with the subconscious mind of the client, to go to the very core of that person and then identify those parts which are causing the problem. One of the tremendous benefits of this method is that we don't need to know the details of the problem of the client. We don't need to know exactly what the problem is. We just talk to the subconscious mind, we talk to Centrum and say, find that part or parts who are causing this problem and let's then solve it. So very short, very simple, this is what Centrum technique is, and I'm very excited to watch this video and I'm looking forward to seeing one of the seminars. Thank you.